Flex is a diversified manufacturing partner trusted by global brands to make great products that create value and improve people's lives. Our campus in Tczew, Poland, opened its doors in 2000 and has been providing design and engineering services and manufacturing and supply chain solutions to customers ever since. Our campus consists of manufacturing, warehouse, and office space, where customers are supported through each stage of the product lifecycle with speed, discipline, and deep expertise using advanced technologies and processes. Our subject matter experts help customers solve their most complex design and manufacturing challenges. Our team of innovators work with customers from diverse industries to apply advanced manufacturing technologies that include automation and robotics, digitization, and additive manufacturing to realize greater efficiency, quality, and sustainability. In addition, we help customers optimize various steps of the product lifecycle through our services, ranging from value-added fulfillment to reverse logistics and circular economy. The campus operates as a vertically integrated unit with interconnected services spanning mechanical design and manufacturing of high-level assembly products, complex electronic circuit boards, entire electronic devices, and clean room assembly products. A modern logistics center with an automated storage retrieval system offers a unique set of advanced capabilities. Poland's position in Central Europe offers easy access to Gdansk Airport, deep-water container terminals, and a well-developed network of highways connecting to the rest of the continent. We are committed to sustainable practices throughout our operations, including the use of renewable energy in our manufacturing. Flex in Tczew has become an ideal place for our customers to work with experienced and passionate people to create extraordinary products that improve the world.